How does culture transform cities? That's a very big question, but let me sketch a couple of ideas. What transforms cities today, to some extent, not culture, not economics, not real estate, but tourism. And cultural tourism is becoming more and more important. So the cities have to balance being wonderful, unique, local, intimate, and being open, welcoming, and how to get the tourists to move beyond stereotypes, to move beyond 3 or 4 famous sites, because every city is a cultural experience. Every city, every street, every square has a unique mood, unique feeling. Thousands of people, or millions of people in some cases, have moved every millimeter of a city. What are our ideas? How can we represent cities in these multidimensional spaces of ideas, desires? That's one of many challenges which I think being faced both by cities and by culture.